Hello everyone, my name is Idham Ramadhan and I am one of public relations student of London School of Public Relations, Jakarta. In this semester, I'm taking public speaking class with under supervision of Mr. Charles Bonar Sirait. In this video, I will explain to you the current situation of COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia. You are probably wondering, who is this young man talking like an expert of COVID-19? Well, just to be clear, I'm not. I'm not an expert of COVID-19, but I did some educational campaign of COVID-19 last year, so it will be related. But I don't want to talk about that, because in this video, we will focus about the current situation of COVID-19. But before we get to that, I'll give you some information about COVID-19. Okay, here's the thing. As we know, COVID-19 is a virus from Wuhan, China. This virus can spread through the air. And because of that factor, this virus can spread it fast through the world wide. From the data that I found, COVID-19 virus were first time detected in December 1st, 2019 in Wuhan, China. And here in Indonesia, the COVID-19 virus were detected for the first time in March 2nd, 2020. Since then, the COVID-19 virus were aggressively spread through the nation. And along with the increased positive COVID-19 cases, the large scale of social restrictions were enforced, and the health protocol of COVID-19 were applied. Unfortunately, not all people in Indonesia were obeyed to this health protocol. There are some people still don't care about the COVID-19 back then, and disobey the health protocol. And as we can guess, the COVID-19 positive case was getting worse and worse. The number of positive COVID-19 cases were increased, along with the numbers of death caused of COVID-19. But because of this situation, people are starting to care about this pandemic and start to take participation to beat this virus. Along with the vaccine camp, it's like light in the dark. It brings us a hope to beat this pandemic situation. And as soon as information that public could get access to vaccine were published, people were very excited and want to get vaccinated as soon as possible. And along with the numbers of people that has been vaccinated, the COVID-19 positive cases were decreased. And then, just a couple days earlier, I saw this in the news that stated that Jakarta is one of the safest cities from COVID-19 in the world. It's a really big achievement for us, reminding that what happened to us before. And to sum up, we are on the right track and we can beat this virus. I believe someday in short time we can live COVID free.